Good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying these online classes and studying well at home. Today again I am here with new video of new lesson in English literature, lesson 4, poem A Caller Would Do. So, I will go through stanza wise to explain this poem. Let's see first stanza. Hello, can I help you? Asked the man at the store. Yes, it's my pet cat that I have come shopping for. Well, of course, young man. What do you need? Queried the man. In this poem, a boy visits for shopping for his pet cat at pet shop. At the shop, the shopkeeper asks, "What do you want? What are you looking for?" Then boy tells that he is looking for his pet cat. The man asks again, "What do you need for your pet cat?" Next stanza. A caller and the other two start with I said. A caller, sure yes, but a other for the kitty? They are for the pups. Let's get your kitty a collar bow. Come this way. See what we have to show. The boy tells that he need a collar and a tether for his pet cat. Tether means a rope or a chain that is used to tie an animal. The man tells him a collar is for cat, that is okay, but a tether also for your cat? Tethers are for puppies only. So let's take a collar for your pet. Come with me and I will show whatever we have in our shop. You can take better one collar for your cat. Next stanza. We passed by arrays or things and pets. Charmed I was at the sight of colorful lovebirds in hues of pink, yellow, purple, and snow. There were rabbits too and goldfish in a ball. As they moved in, the boy finds a large number of things that is placed in order and pets also. There are so many colorful birds. They are in pink color, yellow color, purple, and snow. And also, he finds rabbits and goldfish also. It is very interesting and amazing for him to see them. Next, is that a lizard in that box amidst those balls? Hey, but aren't they supposed to be crawling up walls? That's called a gecko. Some love them as pets to keep, others like turtles or frogs to leap. The boy asks, among those balls, is it a lizard? Why did you keep this lizard in the box? Don't you think that it should crawl up on the walls? The man tells that it is a gecko. Gecko means a kind of lizard that can be found in warm area. Some persons like to keep them as pet. Some likes turtle and some other likes frogs as a pet. Everyone has their own choice to keep animals as their pet. Next, oh, then I might want a turtle and a teeny frog. Only I need to find a pond and a bog. Sure, they are yours. And the collar bow too. Oh, right, I think for now just the collar would do. Now the boy exclaimed with excitement that he can be keep a turtle or tiny frog also. Only he need to find a pond and a bog. Bog means a spongy and wet ground with soil and dead plants where he can keep them. The man replies, sure, you can take them also with the collar bow. Then the boy tells, yes, but for this time I think I had to take the collar only. So students, I hope you might understood the explanation of this poem. Most of the persons like to keep animals as their pet. Every person has their own choice which animal they want to keep as pet. Thank you. Have a nice day.